Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Summer is on its way out and the kids are back to school. Another thing that is back in most people's life is their crazy tight schedule. The problem with limited time is most of them often neglect home cooking and opt for processed foods instead. Well, not anymore, with this quick and delicious recipe. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Creole Couscous with andouille and shrimp. This is the perfect weeknight meal to make when you want something tasty in just 30 minutes. With fresh ingredients, this one-pot recipe is sure to please your family. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a large skillet over medium heat, we'll add oil. And when it gets hot, we'll add the andouille pieces and saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Because it's already smoked, we just need to warm them up. I bought the meat in my supermarket, and yeah, I can get lazy once in a while. Now, if you decide to make the andouille from scratch, and the link of this recipe is on the top right corner of your screen, you'll have to saute the pieces longer until cooked. That should take about 7 minutes. Either way, when this is done, we'll transfer the meat to a bowl using a slotted spoon and set aside for now. Next, we'll add the Holy Trinity, which is onions, red peppers, although you can use green instead, and celery. We'll give a quick stir before seasoning with ground sea salt. We'll saute our vegetables for a good 3 minutes or until soft. As you can see, they are finely diced, so it won't take much time at all. To this, we'll add pressed garlic and quickly saute it for only 30 seconds. Now, we'll add my homemade Creole seasoning, which you can get the recipe by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. Then, freshly ground black pepper. We'll mix rapidly so it doesn't burn, and then add the couscous. We'll stir well for 1 minute, and you'll see that the couscous will absorb all the fat sitting at the bottom of the skillet. We'll now add the chicken broth, increase the heat to high, and bring the mixture to a boil while stirring the ingredients. As soon as it starts boiling, we'll add the shrimp, some lemon zest, and return the meat back to the skillet, including any accumulated juices. Come on, it's flavor. We won't leave that behind, right? Of course, we'll stir well, making sure to distribute the shrimp evenly in the skillet. Cover, reduce the heat to medium-low, and set the timer for 5 minutes. When time is up, we'll add the frozen peas, stir well once again, cover, and cook for 2 minutes. A couple minutes later, the dish is done. But before serving, we'll sprinkle on some fresh chopped parsley. And my friends, this is our Creole Couscous with andouille and shrimp. It's the perfect weeknight meal to make when you want something tasty and quick. Easy to make, you can enjoy this flavorful recipe in just 30 minutes. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!